So for this set, this is my first time doing the Geode nails, y'all. I didn't look at no tutorial video. I honestly should have, but I still like how they came out. But this is from, I saw it off TikTok. I can't remember what was her at name, but I'm pretty sure y'all have seen it. Um, and it's pretty much just a set with crystal pixies on top and a blooming gel design around it with some gold in it, But my client wanted to switch it up and add more color, as y'all seen in the previous clip. I was super nervous about it because, like I said, this was my first time doing it and I didn't get a chance to watch a tutorial video. So I really didn't know how to go about it or even how she went about it. And I just did it the way I thought it was done. So right now I'm just doing my application for my nail tips. I'm using my flattened square tips from tuliprealdeal.com. I'm using my Too Cute medium brush. I love this brush. The precision is amazing. I love it. It's normally kind of always sold out, which I understand because this brush is bum. But if you do happen to catch it while it's there, trust me, girl, add to cart. And I do have a discount code. It's TipTop if y'all would like to use it. Highly suggest, because period, save your money. Acrylic wise, I'm using my Young Nails Cover Pink. I love this nude. It's very universal. It works for everybody's skin tone in my opinion. And honestly, I feel like it kind of changes. The color kind of changes depending on the skin tone, your client's skin tone. So I love this nude. Monomer, I can't remember what monomer I was using because I'm kind of going back and forth between three. I was using my Too Cute monomer, my Nail Supply Glamour, and my Not Polish. So I'm not sure which one I was using in this video, but I do recommend all three. And yeah, y'all can pretty much watch me do the application part. I was really trying to make sure my application was perfect because I already knew I was going to spend some time doing the artwork and I just didn't really want to hassle with bumpy application. So I was really trying to make sure my application was on point. And I think it got to the point where I was actually taking too long on my application because I did run over on her appointment. Simply because one, I was just so hesitant with everything because I really didn't know what to do for real. And two, I just wanted to make sure they came out looking decent, So I was taking time to just nitpick everything. But as you can see now, like how slow I'm moving, like I was really trying to make sure this application was tip top, okay? But y'all, I really do like how this came out. It's giving Gypsy vibes. It's really nice. Yeah, so y'all can just go ahead and watch the application. I'm trying to make sure I didn't forget anything. Y'all already know for my prep I use Mia Secret dehydrator, protein bun, Mia Secret primer, and I put my thin layer of clear always. So that's what's on her nail bed now. And yeah, I'm gonna do this application. Y'all can just watch me. Y'all already know I gotta give y'all the angles because there's no cap on me. Y'all already know I do not play about my application. I do not play about that shape. Period. Get into the cuticles as well. Nice and sealed. So, this is the part I was on where, okay, now that I'm looking back on this, this was so unnecessary. Like, I honestly could have skipped this part, honestly, and just laid the crystal pixies on top. But the reason why I wanted to do them is just so they can sit in the nail and not be sticking off the nail. Because y'all already know crystal pixies tend to snag on everything, everything. So I was like, yeah, let me just go ahead and do this so they can at least not sit so high on top of the nail. But honestly, I could have skipped it because I didn't go deep enough like how she did on her TikTok. So it was really no point for me, to be honest. And these crystal pixies I got from Amazon. I'm gonna try to find the link. I should have some already in my storefront. And yeah, I'm just putting it on there just like that. Honestly, just slapping it on. Alright, so my client asked for more bling. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm not sure if she meant more crystal pixies or because what I'm about to do now is just add some like SS3s around the edges of the crystal pixies because I'm like, oh, she meant she want more bling on it. I'm just gonna, I don't know. She texted me that and I didn't get clarification at her appointment. So, but then again, she didn't say nothing like, oh, she meant around the cuticle area or because honestly, that would be the only place it could go. So I honestly, I don't know, y'all. I just stuck these on there just because that's just what she requested. Um, I really wish I had more time because I would have added more. Because I think around this time my client had came or was about to come, and I'm like, oh, I'm like not even close to being done for real. Like I'm really pushing it right now. So I just did a little one too, okay? If she wanted it different, I'm pretty sure she would have said something, but that's I just added that little extra. Okay, so this is the part where I kind of messed up on. I had the right idea, but the technique wasn't right. So I was doing good by putting the white around the pixies for the border, but I should have put blooming gel down first and then did this part so the white could spread out a little bit more. And I feel like that for my overall design period, I should have let the colors bloom a little bit more. But like I said, I was literally rushing. My client was in the chair like, girl, come on. So now I'm putting the blooming gel on now. And this is from Not Polish. And like I said, I didn't really wait long enough to let the colors bloom like how I would like for them to, because on the TikTok, like her whole nail is bloomed completely out, whereas mine is kind of like very still close together. Look, y'all can see my phone in the corner. You see that notification at the top? My client was there. My client was already there, so I was brushing. And at this point, I don't think I've done the other hand yet, and I still had gold to do. So, like I said, I'm not mad at how they came out, but I know I could definitely do them better if I decide to do them again. I'm probably going to give them another chance um, because they are really, really cute. I just hate that I ran out of time to really just perfect it how I wanted to. But yeah, just pretty much what I did. I just grabbed the old 3D brush and picked up some colors on my palette. Picked up more than one color, honestly, at once. And just laid it on there. And now I'm laying transfer foil gel down. This part I would have done differently as well, but like I said, I was running out of time, so I was trying to think of the quickest thing to do. What I would have liked to do was maybe use a gold chrome or a gold marker or a chrome polish, but I had to do it like this because I didn't have any of those other things. So I had to just opt out for this. And y'all already know how transfer foil is. It's so uh, just time consuming and nitpicky sometimes because all of it doesn't want to transfer. And then with the design, it was just really tricky to press up against the crystal pixies to get the foil to stick. So I was really having trouble with that, but I didn't have anything chrome looking like this foil. I could have used gold flakes, but I don't know why I didn't. I honestly, I didn't want to deal with them sticking off of the nail, honestly. Yeah, because with that, you got to make sure you grab little pieces and make sure they flat on the nail. I didn't want to have to deal with that. I would rather just stick and go, stick and go. So that's what I just ended up doing. And I'm not mad at how they came out. Like I said, they're still bomb. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video.